Hello, today we will guide you through how to create OCO order in Thinkorswim. An OCO, or one cancels the other, links two exit orders together so that when one fills, the other automatically cancels. Traders often use an OCO to pair a profit target with a protective stop, creating a simple bracket around a position. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things clear and practical so you understand not only where to click, but why it matters. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app. You can use the desktop platform or the web version. Either way, make sure you're signed in and looking at the account you want to work with. It helps to have a stable connection and a symbol in mind before you start. If you're practicing, using a paper trading environment is a safe way to learn without risking real capital. Next, click on the chart for the symbol you want to trade. The chart is where you'll visually anchor your order levels. If needed, select or type your ticker in the symbol field so the correct instrument is displayed. Take a quick look at the time frame and any indicators you rely on. Many traders prefer to zoom in or out, so price levels and recent swings are easy to see. This makes order placement more precise. Now right-click directly on the chart. The exact spot where you right-click often sees the price for your order, so position your cursor near the level you have in mind. A context menu will appear. This menu is your shortcut to creating linked and advanced orders without digging through multiple panels. If you don't see what you expect, try right-clicking a little closer to the desired price, or ensure you're right-clicking within the plotting area, not the margins. From the menu, choose the option that includes with OCO. Depending on whether you're working from a buy or sell perspective, you may see variations like buy custom with OCO or sell custom with OCO. Selecting this builds a bracket consisting of two linked child orders, typically a limit order for your target, and a stop order for your protection. You'll see fields for quantity, order type, price, and time in force. Adjust these to match your plan. Traders often set the profit target at a logical resistance or a multiple of risk and place the stop below a recent swing or technical level. If your platform supports it, you can also drag the order lines on the chart to fine-tune prices visually. Before proceeding, double-check that both exits are linked as OCO, that quantities match your position size, and that the time in force aligns with your strategy. When everything looks right on the chart and in the order details, your OCO structure is ready to manage the trade the way you intended.